Hello, and welcome to the AutoCrib.net 4.1 Navigation webinar. In this webinar, we will go over some of the changes that were made and new features that were added to the AutoCrib.net 4.1 software navigation. The software layout is built around the menus, modules, and tabs. So from the dashboard screen, the menu options will appear on the left-hand side. And each menu has modules that perform specific functions. So you can click on the desired menu button to view its related modules. Now, most modules display the data in a grid format. In this webinar, we will look at the inventory items module as an example. So from this screen, you may sort any of the columns displayed in either ascending or descending order just by clicking the desired column heading. In addition, a new feature has been added that allows you to filter the data displayed on the screen. So each column in the grid has a down-pointing arrow, and when you click on the arrow, the filter pop-up screen will appear. So you can use the filter box to create simple filters or more complex filters using and or statements. So for an example, I will use the description 1 filter box to search for all items that contain the word glove in the description 1 field. So once I type in the word glove, I'm now going to click the filter button, and this will filter down my list and will only display items that have the word glove in the description 1 field. So now I'm going to change my filter, and I would like to see all items that contain the word glove or goggles. I'm looking for all gloves or goggles in the description 1 field. I'm going to click the filter button, and now my list filters to only view items that have the word glove or goggles in the description 1. Now, there are other options that you can use in the filter box. By clicking the drop-down menus, you have the ability to search for fields that are empty or not empty. You can match the case, or you can use the does not contain or starts with. So there's lots of other options that you can select from in the filter pop-up screen. Now, if you would like to clear your filter and start over, there is a button here which is the clear filter button. So all you have to do is click on it, and this will clear all filtering. There's also a clear button in the filter pop-up box itself that you can click on to clear all of your filtering. Another feature that was added now gives you the ability to export your filtered or unfiltered grid into an Excel file format, CSV file format, PDF file format, or XML file type. You also have the option to print the grid directly to a printer by clicking the Print File button. And again, when you select to export the screen to Excel or CSV file format, it will export only the data that is displaying on the screen. So it will export the filtered data. Now, most modules have associated tabs. So to access those tabs, you need to click on the desired item from the grid. You will then be directed to the item details screen. The tabs are now located on the top right corner of the screen. And some of these tabs are displayed in the same grid format that we've seen earlier, such as the Issues tab or the Transactions tab. And again, you have the ability to export and filter your grid and select from the drop-down menu here which file type you would like to export the grid to, such as Excel, CSV, PDF, or XML. So this concludes our webinar on navigating the AutoCrib.net 4.1 software. I would like to thank you all for joining us.